Hi, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will tell you about today. I'm going to talk about the latest news from Heartland, the longest-running Canadian drama series that follows the lives of the Fleming Bartlett family and their ranch. If you're a fan of Heartland, you probably know that season 17 is coming soon, and the official trailer has just been released. But before we get into that, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. And if you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Now let's talk about the trailer. As you may recall, season 16 ended with a shocking twist. Borden, Amy's husband and father of their daughter Lindy, died from a blood clot after being shot in Mongolia. Ty was one of the main characters of the show since the first episode, and his death left many fans heartbroken and angry. Some even said they would stop watching the show without him. But it seems that the creators of Heartland have a surprise for us in season 17. The trailer reveals that Ty is not really gone, but he is still alive in Amy's dreams. Yes, you heard that right. Ty will appear in season 17 as a ghost or a vision that only Amy can see and talk to. He will help her cope with her grief and guide her through the challenges of raising Lindy alone. He will also give her advice on how to deal with her feelings for a new love interest, who is none other than Scott Cardinal, Ty's former mentor and friend. The trailer shows several scenes of Amy and Ty having emotional conversations, hugging, and even kissing. It also shows Amy struggling with her attraction to Scott, who seems to be interested in her as well. Scott is played by Nathaniel Arkin, who has been on the show since season 2 as a recurring character. He is a veterinarian who works with Ty at the clinic and who has always been supportive of Amy and Ty's relationship. So, what do you think of this major twist? Are you happy to see Ty back on the screen, even if he is only a figment of Amy's imagination? Or do you think this is a cheap way to keep fans hooked on the show? And how do you feel about Amy and Scott potentially becoming a couple? Do you think they have chemistry, or do you think Amy should stay loyal to Ty's memory? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.